integral 1 minus x power 7 by x into 1 plus x power 7 dx is equal to a into log mod x plus b into log of 1 plus x power 7 plus 6 by 1 plus x power 7 dx, that is equal to integral 1 by x minus x power 6 by 1 plus x power 7 minus x power 6 by 1 plus x power 7 dx. Here if you take LCM is x into 1 plus x power 7, 1 plus x power 7 minus x power 7 cancel, that is 1 by this one. So that can be written as 1 by x dx minus 2 into integral x power 6 by 1 plus x power 7 dx. So this is equal to log mod x minus 2 by 7 into integral 7 into x to the power of 6 by 1 plus x power 7 dx. Here multiplying 7 and dividing 7 and this one, that is log of mod x minus 2 by 7 into integral of f dash x by fx means log mod fx 1 plus x power 7 plus c, where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2 by 7. So therefore a plus b is equal to 1 minus 2 by 7. Taking LCM is 7 minus 2, 5 by 7. That is a plus b. Plus question, integral sin square x into cos square x dx by sin power 5x plus cos cube x into sin square x plus cos square x into sin cube x plus cos power 5x whole square. Here we are taking cos power 5x is common. So sin square x into cos square x dx by cos power 10x into tan power 5x plus tan square x plus tan cube x plus 1 whole square. Now this is integral tan square x into secant square x into 1 plus tan square x whole square whole divided by tan cube x plus 1 whole square into 1 plus tan square x whole square into dx. Both are cancelled. Now we put tan cube x plus 1 is equal to t. Applying derivative on both sides, 3 tan square x into tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now we substitute integral tan square x dx into dt. Dx is equal to dt by 3 by t square, that is 1 by 3 into t to the minus 1 by t plus c. So that is minus 1 by 3 into t cube plus 1 plus c is the answer. E power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Here the answer is integral e power x into x square minus 1 plus 2. That means subtracting minus 1 and adding 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. That is integral e to the power of x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Both are cancelled. Now it is e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Now it is of the form integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. Answer is e power x into f of x plus c. So here this is f of x and this is f dash x. Therefore, the answer is e power x into f of x means x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. This is f of x and then this is f dash x. Number 16. If in is equal to integral sin nx by sin x dx, then in minus 2. So that's why in minus 2 is equal to integral in means sin nx by sin x minus in minus 2, that means sin of n minus 2x by sin x dx. Now this is integral. Here we take LCM is sin x into sin of sin nx minus sin n minus 2x all divided by sin x dx. So that is called integral. Now this is of the form sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c means nx plus nx minus 2x by 2 into sin nx minus or minus plus 2x by 2 all divided by sin x dx. Now this is 2 into integral cos 2 nx minus 2x, that means n minus 1 into x into sin x by sin x dx. Sin x is cancelled. Now this is 2 into integral of cos n minus 1x dx means sin of n minus 1x by n minus 1 plus c. That's it. Number 17. Integral log x minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus log x whole square whole to the power 2 into dx. Here to taking substitution, log x to the base c is equal to t. That means x is equal to e to the power of t. Applying derivative on both sides, dx is equal to e to the power of t into dt. So integral log x means t minus 1 by 1 plus t square whole square into dx means e power t into dt. So this is 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square into e power t into dt. So that is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square plus and minus e power t into dt. Now this is of the form f of x plus f dash x into e power x. So the formula is e power t into f of x means 1 by 1 plus t square plus c. E power t means x by 1 plus log x whole square plus c is the answer. Integral dx by sin x plus cos x whole square. Here cos x is taken into common. 1 by cos square x means secant square x dx by tan x plus 1 whole square. Tan x plus 1 whole square, that means tan x plus 1 is equal to t. Secant square x dx is dt by t square, that is minus 1 by t, that means tan x plus 1 plus c.